Hello guys, it's Michael on YouTube, and this video is going to be about my main strategy when I trade binary options. I believe that each time you trade, you need to have a checklist of different things that you do before you actually take a position. Now, I also included some live trades at the end of this video, which you can see how I trade with the platform, get a feel for how it works. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always email me after this video. I would love to correspond. Now, I believe the binary option is like anything else in life. You have to be dedicated, committed. It's like you can sign up at the gym, but if you go once a week and you're not really going to take it seriously, then you're not going to see results over time. It's very obvious. So a lot of people, they want to get quick money, so they just sign up, they open a trading account, and basically they lose their money because they're not actually investing time into basing their prediction on research. And those are the people that also look for softwares and all kinds of automated systems that will actually trade for them. So I don't believe you need to do that. Any person you ask who've been trading for many years will tell you that whether they trade with Forex, with the stock market, or with options, is that they always count on fundamental analysis even before they look at the graph. So let's get into the strategy and we'll go step by step. So basically, why do I call it the checklist strategy? Because it's built off different stages in which if you check each one of them, eventually by the time you finish, you'll be able to make a smart prediction, an intelligent decision regarding the movement of the price that you're trading, whether it's going to go up or down. Now, first thing you need to do is choose the right asset. It can be a commodity like gold, oil, silver. It can be stocks like the Facebook stock, and it can also be a currency or an index. Now, if you ask me, basically currencies are the most volatile in terms of price changes. They change very quickly and it's hard to actually catch a trend. Also, there is more economic factors on the macroeconomic level that affect the price changes of currencies. You can purchase an option for a stock, such as the Facebook stock or any of the leading companies, like Checkpoint or any of the other companies that the trading platform that you're using will offer you. So first of all, choosing the right asset means you're going to focus on one asset at a time. Don't get scattered around, just focus on one asset. This way there's not too many factors to consider. Get some financial data from the market. You need to read online news, at least a few articles relating to the company that you're trading. So if you're going to buy the Facebook option, you're going to look for new articles or backtrack the last week of different things that have happened, such as are they coming up with a new product, or is Facebook going to buy a new company in a few days? Are they coming out with the results? So maybe you should hold the option for 1 week. If they're coming out with good results in 2 days, then you know definitely that if you buy a call option, the price will increase even by 1 point, then you'll get your 70% profit with the binary option. So basically that's what it means. Fundamental analysis means keeping track of the news, seeing what's actually happening out there in the real markets. Now, if you're not a person who has a master in economics and you're not very familiar, you really don't have to do much. You need to read at least a few articles relating to the asset that you're trading. Then you get to the stage where you look for a trend in the graph. So now you're using your binary option platform, you're looking at the graph and you're seeing the live data. You're seeing the Facebook stock is moving in an uptrend for the last 2 hours or a downtrend. And basically, if you're able to associate it with what you found in the fundamental analysis part, and let's say right now they're coming out with a new product, and in fact now that you're looking at the graph, you're seeing that for a few hours the price is shifting in an uptrend. Then you know it's not just a random uptrend in the graph, and you're able to associate it with something from reality, which is fundamental analysis, and which you've done in the previous step. So that's what's very important, because a lot of people, they just look at the graph and they make predictions based on just looking at the moving average trends. If it's going up, then they're sure it's going to continue to go up, but it might just be a coincidence. So if you're not able to relate it to anything from the news, then don't actually take a position. So now if you're reading the news and you can't find any article that can indicate anything in regards to the price movements, then just wait. Don't take a position, don't take a risk. So that's why it's important to go step by step, because if you feel like you're not able to complete all the steps, then you shouldn't actually trade at that moment. Now, once you found a trend, let's say right now you're seeing that the Facebook stock is in fact increasing. So now you're going to do a technical analysis. You're going to set the expiry time for 1 hour. You're going to purchase the Facebook stock, let's say, for $100, predicting that the price will go up. Now, the technical analysis part is when you purchase the option at the right moment, based on looking at the graph. So if it's moving in an uptrend, you're going to catch it at its low resistance point. So let's say right now it's moving up, okay, and this is the hourly graph. Then you're probably going to want to buy it after 20 minutes into the hour when it's about here or about here. It doesn't matter, but at any of the lower points on the moving average uptrend. So basically, if you're able to buy the option at the lowest point of the moving uptrend, and you're able to spot it and relate it to something that you're actually seeing in the financial news, then you're better off, and then you can take a position. This is what I call intelligent trading. It includes both fundamental and technical analysis, and it's a way to kind of like intercept between different indicators, and by that you increase your rate of success. Now, watch my live trades. I've been very successful for 2 years trading binary options. And if you need some advice or if you have any questions, you can always email me. And I would love to get some feedbacks, responses. And that's pretty much it for today. Thanks very much for watching.